Hi guys, welcome back to Harry Makes It Up. I hope you are all really well. I've missed you guys. It feels like ages since I've sat down in front of a camera like this. I feel a little bit nervous. I feel so out of practice. As I went to film, I managed to break a cord on my normal filming camera. So I'm doing this on what is more like my photography camera, so it's not really meant for filming. So I'm sorry if the quality isn't quite as it would be normally, but I just thought I'd sit you down in my office, we'd have a chatty catch up. And because I've not seen you guys for ages, it feels like a good time to do like a favourites video. I'm also thinking of doing a separate video of kind of like pro kit favourites, because there's been so many new like pro kit things I've been introduced to recently. Some are new launches, some have been around for ages, and I just thought whether or not that would be interesting for you guys, so let me know. But this video is beauty, it's fashion, it's style, it's like lifestyle favourites. It's such a mix. I feel like there's been so many things that I've just been loving, and because I've been traveling a lot recently, I've picked up a few different pieces along the way. So if that sounds good, just keep watching. First things first, and I am wearing majority of these products on me today, bar a couple. So the first thing is this is the Maybelline Dream Cushion. I am the shade 30 Warm Nude. I don't really use the puff that comes with it, never that fussed by these. I just find this is such a good medium coverage foundation. I feel it gives a little bit more than kind of the normal go-to cushion foundations. Has a mirror inside, and then this coincides with my second favourite, which is actually this brush by Honest Beauty. This brush has kind of like a mix of, I believe it is synthetic hair. I'll correct on the screen if I'm wrong, but it's kind of like a mix of texture of bristles, and I just find it buffs beautifully for cream products, especially cushion foundations. So this Maybelline foundation I've been meaning to try for ages, because I think Lindsay Kelp told me it was amazing, and she's not wrong. Just for traveling, I love a cushion foundation. It's so easy, I can apply with my fingers. I really love that, guys, and it's nice that it's drugstore, so easily available. Yeah, really rate it. These are Wet n Wild's makeup sticks. I have this bronzy one. There's no shimmer in it. It's called Oaks on You. And I find this really similar to the colour of the Soleil de Town by Chanel, but almost imagine it like a stick. It's beautiful on eyes, it's like a cream shadow, and I just think sticks and creams when I'm travelling lots, they're so quick when I'm short on time. They're great to keep in your handbag to top up really easily. So I am wearing that now kind of like as a bit of a contour, and then this one I am wearing too, and I just love it, guys. This is the they're called the Mega Glow makeup stick, and this is the blush one, and this is in the shade Floral Majority. It's just a really beautiful kind of like rosy tan pink. Makes me look really fresh, I find, because it's not kind of like a sticky cream. It's a very easy to wear cream, which is why I like this formula, but it does blend like a true cream. So really like those. I think these were like $5.99 or something like that. Super affordable. Then also on my travels, I have come across this, another drugstore find. This is by Joa Beauty. So I think this is a new-ish brand. Probably not, I'm probably wrong. I did see that Tati did a full review of all the Joa products, and this I just love. This is the, it either says Smackaron, or it can't be Smackasun, that would be too weird, wouldn't it? I think it's Smackaron, and it's the matte velvet lipstick. This is the shade Pie Bites. I've got it tapped on top of the H&M one that I'm wearing today, but it's just a really lovely, kind of like, let's see with a mirror. Actually no, I'm gonna risk it and not do it with a mirror. It's like a really nice sort of 90s nudie brown, and it's just very flattering, very nice, to kind of a little bit more of a rich tone to your natural lip colour. So really love that. So the two products I've been wearing non-stop on my eyes at the minute they're kind of older products really, but just ones that I've repurchased and loved. This one is by Kiko. It's one of their Cream Crush lasting colour eyeshadow. This is the shade 06. I find they go in and out of stock of different shades, but they also have like a taupe one. Again, great dupes for kind of matte groundwork. But this is what I'm wearing on my eyes right now, and I just find it's a really beautiful red undertone, rich shimmery brown, which when it's on my lid just makes it look really polished. And then this has become my kind of new favourite go-to. It's the Sephora eyeliner, and this is the Colourful Eyeliner Waterproof, and this is in the shade number 14. It's more of a kind of like bronzy red than my Kiko one. but I just love it. And you definitely have to shake it. I feel like if you don't shake it, it can come out a bit watery, so give it a good shake. It's just a really beautiful eyeliner, and it's what I tend to wear when I wear this eyeshadow, and the two together have kind of become a go-to, and you guys always ask me what I'm wearing, so these two are obviously a favourite. So I have some fashion favourites, guys, and I feel like, I don't know about you guys, but I feel that kind of like in between category at the minute, where I do fit into some straight sizes, and I also fit into some kind of like plus size clothing. And to give you a heads up on kind of my body sizing, I am generally a size 12 to 14 on the top, and then a size 14 to 16 on the bottom. That's UK sizing. So in American sizing, I think I'm like a size 10 to 12 on the bottom, and a size 10 on top usually. But again, that differs depending on brand. And one thing I'm really noticing is I'm kind of getting tired of these brands where it's like extra small, small, medium, large. I just feel like it's so frustrating. And, you know, I really feel like there's such a gap in the market for more brands to kind of give people really beautiful clothing. Because I think as well, sometimes I get annoyed when I see plus size brands and it just feels like everything's tent-like, you know. I think curvy women want to show their shape off. I want to feel good in the clothes I wear. So there's definitely been a few brands that I've kind of been really actively supporting at the minute. And I do think the most important thing is put your money, put your spend, by the brands you want to promote. You know, give them your money, give money to the brands that you feel are actually catering to you. So I have a couple of favourites, and, you know, not necessarily all of them fall into complete diverse fashion brands, but let me know if you would like a video on that, because I do feel like I'm a hashtag in-betweener. Like, I sort of am in between straight size, in between plus size, and I go between the two, but I feel like I'm really now starting to find the brands that work for my body shape. And, you know, I said to my sister, like, just one day I would love to make like a collection, like a capsule collection that fit every woman. So whether it was really petite, really tall, you know, very curvy, very slender, like whatever body shape and size, and also catering to women that perhaps are quite muscular. You know, I would love to do that one day. I feel like that's almost like a little pipe dream now of mine. I don't even feel scared to say that here, but I just feel like there's, you know, I look at like what Celine does and brands like that, and even like Zara. I love Zara, but they still don't have plus size, and that really frustrates me. I'm getting very waffly now, but let me know, guys, would you like a video that's kind of like fashion style based on brands that, pieces I've picked that I think are really good from brands who definitely have a diverse body range, so, you know, catering to all sizes. Without further ado, I'm gonna get onto my favourite fashion bits of the moment. So the first one, this feels so funny holding our underwear on camera, I'm like, ooh. It is one of the Savage X bras from Rihanna. This one, I can't remember what the style is, but I feel like there's always offers, guys, on Savage X by Rihanna. I just feel like there's always a deal. I think I got my first two bras for $29, which is insane. And then the second time I bought some, it was two for $44. And again, for me, like I said, I prioritize my spend with brands that I feel make me feel great about myself, and I know are making other women feel good as well. So if you look at their campaign imagery, if you look at what they did with their runway, I just think it's wonderful. It's really, really, it's just exciting, and I feel like it's bringing women together, and it's making it something that everyone can enjoy. So I've really been rating her bras. I have a chocolate brown one, I have this colour, which is really pretty. I'm seeing if I can like hold it up. It feels so weird. I feel like it doesn't do it justice when you hold it up, but it's such a pretty like lilac coloured bra. I find them really comfy to wear. Again, the size range is amazing. So well done, Rihanna. Absolutely loving what you're doing at the minute. And then I have a piece, these shoes are from Zara. I'm gonna put an insert in here. I've wanted for ages some like PVC kind of suede-etched shoes, and I knew I wasn't gonna pay a lot of money for them because I just feel like anything that's like plastic, I'm not gonna part with a lot of cash. But I do think Zara is really great when it comes to footwear. Like I said, I would just love to see them do a plus size range because I think they could do it so well, and they have the money to do it. So come on, Zara, give us what we need. But shoes wise, I feel like Zara does some really great affordable footwear. I think these were like $59, something like that. And yes, someone did ask me, do your feet get sweaty in them? Yes, they do. But I just find them so comfy. They're a really good heel. Like I said, I'll insert a cutaway, and they look amazing with straight leg jeans. They look really good with skinny jeans. They look great with dresses. They're a really versatile shoe, and I've worn those so much this month. Another brand that I am absolutely loving for style pieces, in particular their earrings, is Mango. I feel like whenever I'm wearing like an interesting pair of earrings, you guys always DM me and like, Harry, where are they from? I feel like Mango does earrings that look really expensive for around the $20 mark, which I love, because often when you buy costume jewelry from expensive brands anyway, they are made from brass, they are made from nickel, they're not necessarily made from amazing quality, you know, they're not necessarily precious metals when they're costume jewelry. So I'm loving what Mango's doing. These two I think are a really good like Celine dupe. I'm gonna insert some cutaways as well of me wearing some of the earrings, but there's so many beautiful designs that I've brought. These ones I absolutely love. I've worn these quite a lot as well in my Insta stories, and again, just such beautiful pieces that I think look way more expensive than they are. By the same token, they also do really nice basics like these gold hoops. Hold them like that. I just like a really classic, very similar dupe for the Laura Lombardi, and I just think they're really, really cute. So absolutely loving those. And then what else do I have fashion-wise? So the other thing I want to talk to you guys, I think I did put a post on my Instagram about Nordstrom Rack, and TK Maxx, TJ Maxx generally are just amazing for fashion. I feel like, especially if you want to find like higher priced items at a really affordable price, and you know, you're opting to kind of choose for quality pieces that will last a long time, they have been my current go-tos. This is not sponsored in any way. I wish they would sponsor me, that would be great. But I have picked up so many good brands, guys. I have again, I want to kind of show you some in the fashion video I do for ideas. But this shirt, this is an equipment silk shirt. I think I paid like $100 for it, and it should have been like $350. So I'm absolutely loving Nordstrom Rack right now. I got some frame jumpers. I found cashmere in there for like $60 from $400. Again, little accessories. I feel like Nordstrom Rack as a general is like a favorite for me this month. I'm late to the party, I know, but it's so good. And then I have one more fashion favorite as well, which we're all gonna laugh now. It is a fanny pack. Now this is kind of from like more of like a luxury brand. It's called Cara, and it has this really cool like zipper piece. It has one big pocket on the front, and it has a really nice kind of like gunmetal metal finish on the zip. It's really oversized because when I've been shooting a lot in New York, and I've been kind of all over America recently, and it's just such a good one to kind of wear crossbody with a coat. And I feel like it almost doubles up as a really good set bag when I need to kind of get things in and out quickly, but still have like my cards and my phone on me if we're in between locations. Again, I'll insert a cutaway of me wearing it, but I just love this. It was one of those purchases that was a bit more expensive, but I kind of felt like it would be a piece I'd use forever. And I really, really do. The leather is beautiful quality, and I tried for a long time looking at kind of the designer route of like bum bags, and I was just like, they all felt too trendy, whereas I felt this was such a nice classic shape. And yeah, it just looks good with everything I wear. I love it with like a tailored suit. It looks really cute like that. So yeah, that is another style favorite. Okay, so a few lifestyle favorites. Like I said, I've been traveling a lot with work. I think we've done so far New York, Philadelphia, New Jersey, Alabama, Nashville, Atlanta. So over this month I've had so much travel that I was really getting to the point where I was like, okay, I'm getting good at packing now. But one thing that has been a massive game changer for me when I travel is the Apple AirPods. Look how tiny they are, guys. They're smaller than a box of Tic Tacs, and they are Bluetooth headphones that make Apple devices. I don't wonder if you can use them with other devices that aren't Apple. That's a good question. But they're really tiny. They look like this, so there's no headphones. They charge in the case, which is great. So they charge, you can charge the headphones and the case. They last, I'd say, like average like 6 hours. But my second favorite that goes with them is Audible. Like I said, guys, how am I this late to the party? I don't know, but I'm absolutely loving Audible. And yeah, my AirPods, Apple AirPods, I believe they're called, are just so great. I think the quality is really good of the sound for what they do, for how small they are. Like I said, I could have literally like my fanny pack, bum bag, whatever you want to call it, and you can see the size ratio. I could fit so much in here. And it means I kind of always have headphones on me now, which is such a nice feeling to know that there's always a chance to listen to a book, listen to music, especially when I'm on an aeroplane or in a car traveling. A lot of the traveling we did was driving as well, from place to place. And Audible, who knew? Like I said, one of my friends on the trip was like, you need to do an Audible, and I read Lily Allen's book, I'm reading Michelle Obama's book at the minute, and I just love it. I find it makes me sleep really well, the same way when I actually read a book. So if you were worried, if you're someone who likes reading books, but you think maybe Audible won't be for you, give it a try. I have found it just as relaxing, and I retain kind of the information and can focus just as easily. But yes, AirPods and Audible get a massive thumbs up. So another one, and I'm laughing because Dave has heard me singing this around the house so much the past week, is The Greatest Showman. Oh my goodness, like I sing this now. I think I must play it like, I don't know, 50% of my day. When I go for a run, I have The Greatest Showman, a soundtrack on. So yeah, I watched the film when I was away and then came home and had to buy it on Amazon Prime straight away. I was like, no, I need to access this whenever I need to. And guys, it is so good. I feel like it's all about like chasing your dreams but not losing who you are, which is so nice. And just, I didn't know I was into musicals. I did not know I was into it, but I'm so into it. I think Dave's getting really tired of hearing me sing the same like 4 songs over and over again around the house, in the shower, when I go running. I am so into it. So if you haven't seen it and you want like a feel-good film, please go watch The Greatest Showman. So we're really getting there with the house now, and I do think this is going to be a very long video, but I just wanted to kind of have a catch up, share some favourites with you guys, and let me know if you would like to see a much shorter kind of fashion inspired video, like I said, kind of focusing on brands that I think do, you know, really represent all body shapes and sizes really, really well, and brands that I've loved buying from and had really good experiences with. So let me know if that's of interest to you in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, I feel very nervous, like I'm really out of practice, but I will get back into making shorter, more speedy, efficient videos. And yeah, I'm gonna have a blog post linked with this video as well, so check that out. I'm not sure what that will be yet. I'll probably put it on the screen. I would love if you guys subscribe, and I'll see you soon for more. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.